Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I haven't done a garage door opener video in a while. I'm in my mom's friend's garage, looking today at the Liftmaster 1/3 horsepower chain drive garage door opener. And here is the wall button over there. Now let's go ahead and close the garage door, and here we go. The motor's not too loud. Okay, now let's go ahead and open the garage door back up. Here we go. The chain's a little bit noisy. Slightly squeaks. Close it again. The motor's pretty quiet. The chain's a little bit noisier than the motor. Okay. I'm gonna open the garage door one more time and leave it open. Here we go. It's not very loud. Alright, that's a very nice, garage door opener. Again, I haven't done a garage door opener video in a while, but I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.